Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. So this, I hope, will be my final test for the heat soak starter issue that I've been going through, and this is a pretty good test. I've got the oil up to 207. Sometimes when I'm tracking or racing it's up to 220 or even more, but I'm not on a track, so I just can't do that. But this is a high enough temperature where it was showing up at temperatures like this previously. So I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to give it a 10-minute heat soak, and then we'll be back. Just so I can explain to you what the heat soak means is the car's shut down, the engine's still hot, the cat temporarily spikes up in heat, I believe, because there is no longer any air flowing past it. The air flowing past it underneath the car is what carries the heat away. So right now we're not moving. The cat's still very, very hot, and it's radiating its heat into the starter, as you've seen in my other videos. So okay, I'm back. It's been 11 minutes. The temperature went down from 208, whatever it was, to 180. So we've got a 10-minute heat soak. I opened up the hood so that you can maybe hear the starter spin over a little bit better. Hopefully it spins over. And this is what it should sound like. Here we go. I didn't stage this. This is the test. And that is basically perfect. So that is how your car should sound on a hot start, and if it doesn't, then you've got issues. And please go through my videos, and good luck, and post any comments you have below. See you later. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye bye.